Hi, and welcome to this short tutorial on the new Sales Score feature in Realist. When CoreLogic launched the all-new Realist, it delivered a powerful new prospecting and marketing tool for real estate agents, the Sales Score. Leveraging both public record and proprietary CoreLogic data, the Sales Score uses a unique algorithm that creates a numerical value from 0 to 1,000 that determines the relative likelihood that a property will be listed for sale in the next 6 months. By assigning each property a clear numerical grade, the Sales Score makes it easy to identify homeowners who are more likely to sell. This score is featured prominently on the property detail page in Realist, which is what you're looking at on my screen right now. The Realist Sales Score is also a searchable attribute available under the My Search section of Realist. Let's close out of this property detail page. At the left of the Realist homepage, on the My Search tab, click Customize Search. I'll now scroll down and select the Sales Score attribute to add it to my existing search template. Then I'll hit Apply. Now you can see at the bottom of this search template, the Sales Score now appears. Once selected, you can now search for properties based on the desired Sales Score value or range, and then proceed with downloading property detail reports, exporting, or creating mailing labels for marketing purposes. This Sales Score is a valuable data point that allows agents to search for properties that are more likely to become listings. Built using CoreLogic's propensity to list model, properties with a high score can signify having higher chances of being listed due to market conditions, sales data, valuation, and other proprietary CoreLogic data. This information can be beneficial for agents and real estate professionals looking to build or refine their prospecting and farming lists. For this example, let's say I'm doing a just sold mailing. I'll also note here that Sales Score searching is only available when searching in one county at a time. In this example, I'll first draw a shape around the area in which I'd like to create my marketing campaign. As you can see at the bottom of the search, I currently see 416 properties will be returned with this search. Now, let's add a Sales Score. I'll set the search operator to is greater than using the dropdown. Now, I'll enter a score of 800 or greater. Now you can see that we've narrowed down the list of potential properties to just 31, a much smaller but more targeted list of people who are more likely to list their home in the next 6 months. Let's hit search. From here, you can generate mailing labels to market to the owners of these properties directly. Or you can export the data to a spreadsheet in order to do mail merges or run statistics. The benefit of the Sales Score insights and Sales Score searching makes your marketing efforts more efficient by pinpointing homeowners who are potentially motivated to sell. This makes your prospecting searches more targeted, helping increase the hit rate of your marketing campaigns while saving you time and money. Try Sales Score searching today, available only in the latest version of Realist.